Hey guys, how are you? John from Colorado Breeders Depot. Just want to take a couple of minutes of everybody's time to talk about some potential pitfalls in the hemp industry. Few things you want to know about picking a genetics company and picking your genetics. It will be the most important decision you make in your hemp farming career. It doesn't matter how good of a farmer you are, how good your soil is, how good your practices are. If you are not working with quality genetics that will go out and perform, you're not going to be successful. So, some things to look at. First thing I want you to be able to do is read a certificate of analysis. Know what a COA is. A COA talks about the potential of the plant you are attempting to grow on a large scale. So you want to understand how to read the total THC from your Delta 9. You want to understand how to look for fake COAs or modified COAs. Make sure nothing has been deleted or added onto that COA that looks foreign. Make sure that all the numbers and equations match up. Contact a lab if you're not sure if something's raising a red flag. You can call that lab and cross-reference that COA to make sure it is an actual COA from that lab, not something computer generated. That's the first thing. The next thing you want to do is get to know your grow team. Get to know the geneticists, get to know the team that makes the seeds, understand their knowledge, understand their passion, meet them face to face. Make sure these are the guys that you're comfortable saying, I'm okay that these guys are producing a plant that I want to grow long term. The next thing you should do also is go visit your facility. You want to look for uniformity, you want to look for technique, you want to look for cleanliness. You want to be able to be invited to the facility. If someone's telling you it's proprietary or that you can't come, you don't want to do business with them. You want people who are an open book and an open door and have nothing to hide. These are some things that you can look at to better understand if you're on the right track for making the right choice as far as genetics and the company that grows your genetics. Another thing you want to do is ask the right questions. Anybody making a hemp seed should have farming knowledge. How do you make a seed, or how do you make a plant that's going to perform at a high rate on a large-scale hemp grow if you've never done a large-scale hemp grow? So asking the right questions, right? Asking about their process, asking about how much they farm, doing business with a company that might be vertically integrated so they understand what type of oil are we even trying to produce to sell into the retail market. Right? So these are the things that us as breeders are looking for. We know that we want to be fast finishing, right? Because winters come fast and winters come harsh. We know that minor cannabinoids matter in medicine, so we've been breeding that up in our genetics for the last few years. We know that yield per square foot per acre really matters, especially with tighter margins, especially large scale. You know, even an extra 50 pounds an acre. If you do 100 acres, that adds up real quick. That covers all your cost to grow. So these little things, right? Ask the right questions, know who you're doing business with, understand your genetics, look for proper documentation and paperwork on those genetics, do your homework, do your research. That's the best way to make an educated decision in this new and improving hemp market. Thank you everybody for your time.